We're here to get the national network established in the eyes of all the local parent forums and to get their buy-in to the work of the National Forum and its future. And so the day is taking us through, how the local forums interact with the national network and how that relationship will operate in the future.
Well, we've come for the AGM primarily for the national network, but I think it's also really good for forums across the country to come together to have an opportunity to share and to discuss what's going on locally with other parent carer forums and to be able to share that experience and that learning. That's been really useful.
You and your children are the first, the last, the only reason actually why we're all doing this. We're committed to creating with you a system that provides more protection and support than ever before, that fits in with you and your needs and not the other way round, that's as ambitious for your children as we are for all others, and that puts children and their families first.
It's been fantastic, starting off with the Minister, Edward Timpson, hearing what he had to say and just hearing how other groups have presented themselves.
I think the main thing about coming here today has been about meeting other members of forums, because you often don't really get the opportunity to.
Things that I'll take away, I think, are some of the best practices that are out there, that it's okay to make mistakes, and if you do make mistakes to try a different track, and also to ask for help if you need it, because there is help out there.
What I found interesting is the fact that many of the forums are having those same issues, like health, getting health around the table, possibly engaging with the local authorities, or should I say, the local authorities engaging with parent forums.
A few years ago, when I'd lost my confidence, I thought, well, what have I actually got to offer? But we've all got so much experience and the expertise of our children. And, a lot of us have had jobs and careers beforehand, and we've got all that to bring.
I learnt about how to collaborate more effectively with a forum, feel a bit more confident about actually chairing the forum, and ways and ideas that we can maybe look at getting more parent participation in.
It's still important for us to be talking to the local authority and making sure that our children and our young people's voices are heard. And as much as we are getting weary at times, to keep going with the battle, because the end result will be something better than what we've got now.
This really is the key of taking the next few steps in the next couple of months to moving the work forward. It's crucially important that you maintain the contact at every single meeting where possible.